Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Starcraft's Super Lite line of lightweight travel trailers. Super Lites range in weight from just over 4,700 pounds up to just over 7,300 pounds, and vary in length from about 23.5 feet up to a shade over 37 feet. There are quite a few options regarding floor plans. The Super Lite lineup includes 7 floor plans, starting with the couple-focused model, the 212FB. This model sleeps up to 4. This front living floor plan includes a queen bed flanked by 2 closets and pass-through storage. The interior hosts a sofa space along the side wall, and the kitchen boasts a range hood and sink covers. Next up, the 242RL sleeps up to 6. This rear living floor plan includes a front queen bed with 2 personal nightstands as well as 2 wardrobes. Moving through the model, a sofa stands along the back wall and faces the entertainment center. A dinette sits along the off-camp side in a slide-out. Now let's move on to the family-focused Super Lite bunkhouse floor plans. First up is the 241BH, which sleeps up to 8 and includes a front living queen bed amid 2 closet storage spaces. There are double-over-double bunks in the rear corner next to the bathroom, and the main living area features a slide-out U-dinette across from the entertainment center. The exterior of this unit includes an outdoor kitchen and an 18-foot awning for hosting guests. Also able to sleep up to 8, the next one up, the 261BH, comes with a queen bed, convertible dinette, jackknife sofa, and double-over-double bunks. The sofa and dinette sit in a slide, and there's a full entertainment center located between the main bedroom and living area. Outside, a 20-foot awning provides ample protection from the elements, and you can find an outdoor kitchen and fridge for outdoor camping fun. Similar in style and layout, number 3 of the 5, the 281BH, adds an additional jackknife sofa, an extra closet along the campsite wall, and more kitchen counter space in the L-shaped kitchen. The bathroom area completes the rear wall, and there is plenty of bike storage found under the lower bunk. The kitchen, closet space, fridge, and entertainment center line the campsite wall. Looking for more room? Sleeping up to 10, the 291QB is Super Lite bunkhouse number 4 with 2 sets of twin bunk beds in the rear bunk room and a walk-around queen bed up front. The center space is comprised of a jackknife sofa and booth dinette on a large living area slide. This gives you ample space to move around when working in the kitchen area with its nice L-shaped counter. The bathroom has been moved campside, creating a hallway to enter the front bedroom, a bedroom that is sealed off from the rest of the camper with a solid pocket door. Combining all available options, the final Super Lite bunkhouse, the 311BH, includes the best of each model. While somewhat traditional with the walk-around queen bed centered on the front wall flanked by wardrobes up front, the bunk room in the rear has a stacked set of twin bunk beds campside and an additional twin bunk with a kiddie dinette in a slide opposite. The main living space has a U-dinette and jackknife sofa in a large off-campside slide, along with an angled entertainment center facing them from an interior wall shared by the bathroom. Campside, you'll find an efficient kitchen with a wide counter. With floor plans out of the way, let's take a look at some of the features, making the Starcraft Super Lite a good option for most adventurers. First and most importantly, these units come with a 3-year limited structural warranty, as well as a 15-year warranty on your model's PVC fully walkable roof membrane, keeping you safe and dry along your journeys. But that's just the beginning. Each model includes a power awning with LED lighting, an integrated speaker system, as well as a power tongue jack. On the inside, you'll find a 15,000 BTU AC, a forced air heated and enclosed underbelly, and durable residential style flooring. Each also includes a residential 80-inch queen bed, electrical outlets and USB ports, and even a laundry chute in the master bedroom. Let's not forget about the kitchen. Crafted out of stainless steel, the single bowl kitchen sink includes a residential high-rise faucet with pull-down sprayer. Also in the kitchen, you'll find a 17-inch gas oven with 3-burner range and a flush mount glass cover. Starcraft Super Lites are very lightweight but built to last. Helping to keep the elements outside, the roof and walls are vacuum bond laminated and the main floor is constructed using 5/8-inch plywood. On the interior, the cabinets are assembled using pocket screws with pre-drilled holes to help them last longer. A great option for those with an active lifestyle, the lightweight Starcraft Superlite can be towed by a wide variety of vehicles, help you reach destinations, see sights you may not be able to in larger campers, and do it all keeping you camp comfortable.